So I thought I'd give you a little bit of walking tour of Lake Sumter Landing. This is the town square, and as you can see, there's chairs everywhere for people to use. And there's live entertainment in the square every evening. So in this square, people sit all the way around the whole area, and they can watch the music, sit out. There's restaurants and bars all around the whole square. In the backdrop, you can see the lake. You can sit out there. There's lots of bars as well out there too. Here's Red Sauce Restaurant. There's Lazy Mac's Taco Shop over there to the left, Haagen-Dazs, all kinds of things. So this is Lake Sumter Landing. This is where people come every evening or during the day for restaurants or lunch, and it's just a great place to hang out if you're in Lake Sumter.